welcome to AlphaCars and Ural of New England. Today we're doing a follow-up video on this Klein Blue gear up. If you remember from around a month ago, I made a video when we initially had built this bike for the customer. We added tons of really cool accessories to it and they were so excited to pick it up. Well, a follow-up, they've been loving this bike. They have already done 300 miles on it. That's why it just had its first service done. The bike is in awesome condition because they're taking great care of it. And they've been loving it so much, they actually had us add even more accessories to it today at this service visit. And we're gonna go over those in this video. Starting out, we have the sidecar rear view mirror. This is a very highly rated product that we sell on our online store. Any of these awesome accessories on this bike, we can ship right to your door, so keep that in mind. But this rear view mirror is awesome. You can adjust it so you, as the rider, can have a nice line of sight on that side of the bike, or you can have it adjusted so as a passenger, your passenger can have a nice line of sight behind them and just feel more secure. The customer also had us add the smoked sidecar windscreen. This is the short version, and of course the apron for it, he selected to have it match the tonneau cover. So that all looks great. And this bike has just had the sidecar bumper installed. So this is our bumper we offer for these. They mount very securely, very high quality, powder coating job, very heavy duty. You know, if you're reversing and off-road, this is definitely gonna save your sidecar tub if there's any kind of little things you might bump into. And it offers a great spot to tie down luggage to as well. This bike already has this really nice luggage rack on the spare tire, but it's just an additional spot to be able to have some additional tie downs there. As I said, this customer, they're loving this bike. They've already put the 300 miles on it. So it just had its first service done and it's in really immaculate condition. It really looks like we just built it. Of course, some other highlights, this bike has the oil cooler, external oil cooler. It has a hand shifter. So this hand shifter is for our forward and reverse gears. This one is our forward gears, and then this hand shifter right here is for reverse, so there's no more kick down lever down here for your heel. It's all done up here. It's fun to use, really easy to use as well. And of course, that's another highly rated product that we sell. We've got some nice shin guards here. We did kind of a custom setup for the dual cylinder temperature gauge where we mounted it with a specific bracket so it can be on the handlebars right in the rider's line of sight. And let us know if you, this is another kit people really speak highly about to monitor their cylinder temperatures. If you are looking to mount this on your handlebars, we've been thinking about offering our kit with an add-on where you can add on the specific bracket to mount it to your handlebars, because usually we have a bracket that mounts it down here or it mounts right to the shin guard if you have those. So drop a comment below if you are maybe looking to get the specific bracket to mount these to the handlebars, and then I'll see what I can do. We could probably start offering those brackets because it really does look awesome there right next to the kind of main gauge on the bike, and then there's no looking down as well. It's always in your line of sight there. And the wiring, if we look kind of back at it, the wiring just tucks down into this main panel. It looks awesome. And then, there's no additional things out here like where we kind of usually will put it. Of course, we have this very nice windscreen on the bike. The bike has the LED headlight bulb there. Really just a nice build with some awesome accessories. We see the LED sidecar fender light. So, and the list goes on. I'm sure I missed a couple things. But as I said, like even look at the inside of the fender on the bike where that's gonna, have everything that kicks up off the road and the dirt. It's all just in really, really nice shape. And like I said, we love to see when people take care of the bikes. We want to see them ridden, but you can also still take care of your things, even if you ride it a lot, even if you ride it hard. And we look forward to seeing this bike again. Maybe we'll do another update down the line when they bring it back to us for further, just routine maintenance and of course, further accessories. So this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. I've had the bike just pulled in a nice little grassy area with the woods behind. I think it's very fitting for a bike like this. So leave a like on this video and subscribe so then you don't miss out on the latest Ural content.